Hello children, welcome back to Teacher Dewi's video. Let's go for a farm tour. You will see many things on this farm. This is a huge one. Can you spot the sheep there? After this, we're going to take a look at the pond. Do you see the pond there? Do you think there are ducks and goose? Let's see. Wow, this is a big farm. And Teacher Dewi is going to take you for a tour. I hope you are ready. Do you see the barns there? Alright everyone, let's get ready for a tour. And Teacher Dewi is going to take you for a ride on this tractor. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! But before, we are going to do this activity first. Get ready with your materials. Check this out. Get these materials from your learning pack. And don't forget to prepare the watercolor, color pencils, a glue stick and scissors. Step 1. Paint this landscape. You can use green color because this is the grass. Don't forget to paint the other one. After you're done with the painting, step 2, you're going to color this coloring page. Step 3. Cut out these pictures. Let's do a neat cut. When you're done with the cutting, get this landscape and fold it into 2. Also with the other one, after folding the middle part, you also fold the edge please, like this. Don't forget to fold both sides. Step 5. Let's paste these pictures from the coloring page. Step 6. Let's glue the sides and attach them. Step 7. We are going to make the tractor. Get a sheet of paper, a blank paper, and let's make the wheel. Prepare 2 wheels, okay? Pay attention to the next steps, please. This is the back part. You still have those black circles to be pasted on the wheels. Yay, it's done! Let's have a tour now around the farm. Get ready! Let's have a tractor ride! Time to say goodbye! Goodbye now!